This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Shuler. What an amazing mountain getaway! This one-level living 3-bedroom/2-bath split floor plan is in pristine condition on 3-level usable acres. Spacious kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Eat-in kitchen with a dining room as well. Large living room. Best of all, this home comes with Most Furnishings. Call me today before this beauty is sold. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Shuler at 828-361-2074.